Hello leaders, very good morning. So before we discuss about today's streak targets, let me ask you one thing. Are you ready for your 4 weeks challenge? Okay, so in our 4 weeks challenge, this is what we are going to do. The goal of this 4 weeks challenge is related to answer writing. The first goal is to structure the answers. In first week, we will try to understand how to structure the answers. In second week, which is our second goal, we will try to use the appropriate contents in our answers. In third week, we will focus on the references that we are going to use, and these references will get us marks as well. And then in the fourth week, we are going to apply all of these in your answer writing. This is the basic goal of our 4 weeks challenge. Here is what we are going to cover in week 1. In week 1, we are going to cover Indian polity, and first day is focused on historical background, features of Indian constitution, preamble, system of the government. On second day, we are going to cover fundamental rights, fundamental duties and DPSPs. On third day, we are going to cover central government, state government, local government. Fourth day is focused on judiciary and tribunals. Fifth day is focused on different bodies like constitutional bodies, extra constitutional bodies, non-constitutional bodies, statutory bodies. And sixth day is focused on good governance, transparency, self-help groups, NGOs, election, role of civil servants. This is our week 1. Now let's talk about the streak. So on day 39, those who are preparing full time, we are going to start with geography now, and first day we are going to discuss interior of the earth. Here we have to focus on sources to know the interior of the earth, layers and discontinuities, P, S and L waves, earthquake, tsunami and volcanism. This is the target for your day 39. Working aspirants in modern history cover the pre-Congress era. Special focus should be on organizations before Congress. This is your target, guys. All the best.